guys, so what you're looking at here is a kill switch basically. This fusible link would be hardwired into your fuel pump circuit in your car. A small piece of wire would be attached to the fuse by drilling a hole through the fuse not to damage the fusible link and attaching the wire to the fuse. Then a tiny hole can be drilled through the floor right where your seat is. A larger piece of wire then can be inserted through the small hole to form a D-ring. You pull out on the D-ring and the fuse is popped out and the vehicle will not start. Yank hard enough on the large wire, the small wire will snap, the fuse will fall on the ground. Even if a thief was in your car right then, he would drive away maybe 15 to 20 yards and that would be it. The car would roll to a stop and there's a 0% chance he would be able to get the car working again. When installing this, you want to make sure that you put a good amount of silicone on the hole you drill through the floor and also some on the fusible link. This will help keep water out of the system and prevent corrosion.